Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says, let's use our smartphones and make sure we earn money. You can earn money with your smartphone in different apps by using a social media platform or by going to these websites and get free money. When I talk about free money, you're not going to put a basket or your account and it drops there, but it is free of charge. They are not going to charge you any interest. So we are going to look at the website today. Most of you might be familiar with it. So right today, I'm going to be short and precise. There is this grant that is there, and the deadline is 30th of November. I'm very sorry for coming a bit late, but the application process is very simple. It will take for you only 30 seconds to get this 5,000 above $5,000. When I'm talking about $5,000, but before that, I want to appreciate every person that is always on this channel, that is always trying to make life work out using the app. So this is a disclaimer, you people. Not everything that is here is for everybody. Everybody has God uh, has given slot to our lives, each and every person. So if you find yourself you cannot get a grant, make sure you can use an app, or you can use a social media platform, or you can use the tips we give you. So these grants, not all of us get it. God has designed somebody. You might be among the people who have been designed to get this grant. I'm talking about Garasi grant. It comes every month. Every month there is this Garasi grant, and it is worth 2,750, but it is given to two people. How is it given to two people? The person who is going to apply is, if you happen to get it, then also the person who referred you for this grant, or where you had it from, that person is also going to get $2,750. So that makes it more than 5,000. Isn't it cool? Yes, it's cool. Why do I recommend you to go and apply for this grant? One, it is free of charge. They are not going to ask you an amount of money for this grant. Two, it is very easy to make it. It will take only 30 seconds, as I told you. So it is not like other grants that they are going to preps the whole night, overnight. You're trying to make a lot of documentation to make this grant. Three, this grant is for should I call them minority groups, people who are sidelined, and also to women entrepreneurs. I'm very sure in this 21st century, all women are entrepreneurs. How are you an entrepreneur? You might not be having a business down already, but you might be having an idea on the paper. If you don't have an idea on the paper, you can be a social media entrepreneur. So let's dive into now, and we talk about this Garase grant. You know it. If you've been a fan, you have been hearing about us, Garase grant. This Garase grant has been there so far. It is now 80 years, and it is a non-profit organization. It is not dealing in anything that is getting any money. No. So that's why you should trust it. So I received this mail some time back, but when I received mail, I'm like, okay, my people have already known, but it's like there are some people who have not yet known, because every day we get new subscribers. So this Garase grant is one of the platform that most people have gotten money from free of charge. And now this grant started on November 1st, and it is ending on November 30th. So please, as you watch me, just go there, put in your details. I'll be showing you how to apply for this grant. Winners will be contacted by email. I know this is the question that one person out there will like, me, I'm from Sri Lanka, me, I'm from India. How will they know me? No, don't mind. What you do, follow the link that I'm going to put in the description and even in the comment section. Go and apply for this grant. If it comes, yeah, we thank God for it. If it doesn't come, there's nothing you are losing, because there is nothing at all. But also, before I finish, I would advise you to go to this Garase grant. You know what it does. Let me first tell you something small about this Garase grants, and also what it does and what involves in Garase grant before you go to do application. Garase grant is a grant that is given to small business funding for women. It is the one that gives women, especially who are dealing with small businesses and even the minority entrepreneurs, you can access this. Who is this Garase Grant? Garase Grant started far back, like I told you. It's now 8 years, and it is under Hidden Star. Hidden Star is one of the company that came together. Garase Grant is a grant under Hidden Star, a 501c non-profit with 8 years track record. So this Garcia grant is one of the grants. There are other grants that were there, even ended on 15th, their deadline. Unfortunately, I did not come. I think I became too much occupied to bring it for you. If you missed it, you shouldn't miss this one. This one, deadline, as I told you, will be on 30th, and winners will be two. The person who has won and the person who really advised you or told you about it or made a video like that I've made it. So what you do, you can also send it to a friend. You can also make a video like that I've made it, such that you earn, also that person earns. Wait, I'm coming for the application. Now, on this Garcia grant platform, there are a lot of, by the there are a lot of grants that are there. So be a friend to it. You can also go ahead and be a Garase Plus member. When you become a Garase Plus member, you have unlimited, when I tell you unlimited opportunities in terms of grants, unlimited opportunities in terms of like trainings and other things. If you want to be a Garase grant and you access hundreds of and thousands of grant opportunities on all amazing and all even amazing tools, just go there and read the details. Now, before going very far, I want us to go to the application. The application, I know you're going to think, me, Christine, I'm from Kenya, I cannot manage it. Let me tell you, if I show you the person who won, there's an Africa, there is someone called Tameka won in October. Unfortunately, I've never won, but I came to know it. Now it is almost 1 year. But remember, we're very many that are the people that are really applying for this grant. If you go to see the previous winners, they are from all over the country. The last one of October was called Tameka. She got 4,250 grant for her because it was there. Then we had Milanda. Milanda was for 3,750. Then there was Latosha. Latosha, she won it in April 1st. She was for 2,750, like this one. Then there's Catherine. It was 2,500. Now, you should not look down on yourself. You can win this grant. I can win this grant. Let's go and see how to apply for it. One, what I want you to know, takes 30 seconds. We are used to finish now. Garase grant entry form, as you can see it on our screen, and I'm also checking it on my phone. You can see. I'm going to apply it with you. What you do, go open it, go to the entry form. When you reach entry form, put your email. My email is peacechristina@gmail.com. I put there. You put first name. First name is Christine. Second name is Jokshaba. If you have last name, put it there. Zip code. My zip code is 000. And if you don't know your zip code, whichever state you're in, because every state has its own zip code, please, you can tell me. I will help you there. Sorry for that. Then ethnicity. Ethnicity, there's a drop box. You're going to touch there and see what is. If you're an African, if you're American, please put it there. Then there's gender. Gender, there are 3 drop box. Click there. Either you're male, female, or you don't want to say, or you're both. I don't know whether you're both. Business status, it is also 2 drop box. I would like to start a business. I currently own a business. Now go there and do it. Then the last one is referred by who. If you're watching me, put referred by Christine Jokshaba. Do you know when you do that, it means they have my email in their database. The moment you pass, I will also pass. The moment I pass, the person who referred me is going to pass. I don't want you to put the second thought. From there, you can read terms and condition. Tick that terms and condition. They say by submitting, I'll be entered with the Garase grant. I agree on terms and condition. If you want to read, go there and read the terms and condition. Don't say, but Christine didn't tell us about this. Then press enter. The moment you press enter, you've entered. Kalas, you wait to be notified on the email. Other things, you can go there and discover more about this. You can discover more about what they do, other things, and where they based, how can you contact them, all those things, you can get them on their website. Check in my the comment section, please. You see the website. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Let's make this money today.